Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add full reel on Instagram story. First guys, when you launch the application and when you're on the feed side, you need to just go on the third selection or on the reels icon on your third side. Click on it and then choose the reel that is interesting for you. For example, we'll go with this one. Now if I go on the share button on the third section on my right side and go for add reel to your story, and guys, here as you can see, it is not the full reel on Instagram story. It is also a sequence of it. What we need to do, we need to get back and go for discard. Then we need just to go and select the last option or the option with 3 dots and then go for copy link. On the third selection, go for copy link, then go to your Google account or just to go to another Chrome section and type for Instagram video download. Go on the first selection and then here you need to insert the Instagram link. Go paste, go download. Here you'll need to wait for exposing it, the reel section of downloading on your Instagram reel. Now you need to go for download, and here you need to wait for downloading the file. Get back to your Instagram, go to the home side and then tap for your story on left upper side by typing on the plus icon. Here you need to choose the story side that are related for the reel that you have downloaded through the Google Chrome. Here guys, when you can go for adding on your story, as you can see, it is the full reel on it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.